Hello, my name is Jarek and I would like to show you my app. So here we go. The app is built with as a backend Django and Django REST framework and as frontend purely in React Native. So every single information like user details or authentication tokens are fetched from a server and app state is managed by React Redux. Let's go to the login page and how it looks like. We have a register screen right here and we won't use it today, but there it is, and it has some error checking, so there it is. So let's, for example, try maybe login with wrong password. We have this prompt that tells us that we made a mistake, so if we type a correct one, we jump directly into our app. So my app is about football games, and if you, for example, have free Thursday evening and you want to play with someone else, but you have no one to play with, this is my app that will help you. So you can just go to the Create Game tab. You can pick a name for your game, for example, best game of all time. You can pick, for example, 55 players, but then you get warning that you can choose number between 3 and 20, so you have to deal with that and say that you have 20 players that you want to play with. You can pick a field from a Google Maps that, for example, we have choice of 3 playing fields. And let's choose the top one, which is called Brendan's French Food. Very creative name for a playing field. And we can pick a date, and let's say we'll pick tomorrow at 7 o'clock. And here we are, and I guess everything's okay. So let's create a game, and bang, we have our game in our events tab. So here it is. We can check the details of our game that we've just created. So there is only one user yet. The price of a playing field is $100, pretty much, I'd say. But okay, and there are all players that are joined. We can click on them and check the score of the history of, maybe not history, but the number of created games, number of joined games, and some other details. So this is our events tab. So the last tab I will show you is new events tab. It just tells you what events are around you, and we have one event that is nearby, and the game is created by Mark. And the game is in San Francisco City Hall. And if you would like to join it, we can just click join the game, and here we are. We just joined the game. If you refresh now the page, there are no events that we are not part of. And if we go to our events tab, we see that we've joined an event. And if you want to, we can just leave the game and we can join it again. If we refresh this page, we can join it again. And that's pretty much it. So the last two things is that we can remove the game, and as we'll see, our created games count decreased and our joined games count increased because we've joined the game. And also we can update our profile and just say that we want to play as a goalkeeper. That's our favorite position. Goalkeeper, okay, it's fine, and the information is updated, and the information was fetched from a server, and everything went okay. So thank you very much for attention. I hope you've enjoyed a little tour of my app, and see you again maybe.